Looking for an iToolab AnyGo alternative? Whether it's due to compatibility issues or privacy concerns, this video highlights 8 top alternatives for changing your virtual location with more flexibility and security. Top 1. Best iToolab AnyGo Alternative Virtual Location Tool. Changing a device's GPS position can be useful for location-based apps and games. Virtual Location Tool allows users to modify the virtual location of an iPhone or Android phone through a computer. How to use the best iToolab AnyGo alternative. Download and install the virtual location tool on your computer. Open the application and select Get Started from the main interface. Connect your device via USB, select Teleport Mode, enter your desired location or GPS coordinates, then click Move to change your virtual location. Top 2. UnicTool TailorGo. A flexible solution for altering mobile GPS information is UnicTool TailorGo. Through a desktop interface, it enables location changes and route simulation for iOS and Android devices. Users can select a destination on the map and create customized movement paths. Top 3. MockGo. Some people prefer a simple interface for GPS simulation, and MockGo provides that experience. After connecting the phone to a computer, the software allows instant teleportation to another location. The tool can also simulate movement between multiple points to imitate real travel. Top 4. MocPoGo Location Changer. Another tool used for virtual location adjustment is MocPoGo Location Changer. The program lets users shift their device's GPS coordinates without requiring complex setup. Several movement modes are available, including single spot and route simulation. Top 5. WooTechy iMoveGo. For those who want to manage location changes with flexible controls, WooTechy iMoveGo offers multiple navigation options. The software enables teleporting to any place on the map, while also supporting simulated walking routes. Top 6. iWhere iPhone Location Changer. Location modification can also be handled through iWhere iPhone Location Changer. By connecting the device to a computer, users can select destinations and apply virtual GPS movement. Top 7. FonesGo Location Changer. Some users turn to FonesGo Location Changer when they want to manage GPS movement. With a straightforward process, the tool enables instant location switching on a connected smartphone. It also supports route creation, so the device appears to move across selected paths. Top 8. AimerLab MobiGo. Testing geographic features in mobile apps can also be achieved through AimerLab MobiGo. After linking a phone to the computer, the software allows users to choose any place on the map and change the device's coordinates.